Hello guys, welcome to Metrics Trading Professionals. I want to quickly show you how I was able to modify one of my EAs that I developed last year. I worked on it this year. I've been working on it actually and other EAs, but I've been able to get out something from this. As of last year, this EA could only trade from 2021 to date, like trade successfully. So I've been looking for what to do to get it trade 2020, 2019, and then, so successfully my team and I have been able to get a solution to that, and we implemented it, and this is what we have. So this is a back test of $40,000. It's our Gold Mine Pro EA. If you go to our EA page, you'll see this EA. It was there since last year. Okay, so I just modified it. So you can see the backtest from 2018 to 2023, like till last weekend on a 4K account. So we were able to run this from, and this is the chart. It looks quite good. Looks quite good. Of course, if you've been on EA development, you will understand how it is actually to get an EA that trades on this long period of backtest, and don't crash. This is the longest drawdown we have, which is about $59. Okay, which is about $59, 59,000. Okay, so by that point it was already in profit. So if we had actually started trading this EA on this particular day, yeah, this is the only place would have blown the account. All right, but then I just chose to use $4,000, of which this could be 4,000 cents. Okay, it could be 4,000 cents. Look at here, I ran it with 100,000 from 2020. Before now it never passed 2020, so I first tried it for 2020, it passed. Then 2019, currently I have about 3 EAs that has been able to trade 2019. That year I really don't know what happened. I've just like 3 EAs currently among all my EAs that I've traded 2019 successfully. Okay, so when this passed 2020, I then went and tried 2019, and then 2018. Wow, I was so wowed, seeing this result. Okay, so this happened around December, or thereabout 2021. That was when this drawdown happened. Okay, so on a $100 account, actually, this would, what's this? On a $100 account, this would have just been about 59%, 59% drawdown of the account. Okay, 59% drawdown of the account. So and then the EA has shown that it can actually do an average of 50% yearly returns. I know someone will be like, this small. Okay, if you want to increase your risk, of course you can. That's why I showed this, for 2018, where you can do like $400 to give you 40,000 cents, or you use $40,000 minimum, and then you can get this result, of which this is about how many percent do we have here? We have over 500% here, just going to 600% here. You are about 600%, but then you'll be ready to risk your capital. Of course, every broker will tell you don't fund what you can afford to lose. Okay, so this is the chart for the backtest. I just wanted to leave it so so this is the chart for the backtest. This is the other chart for the backtest. So you could imagine this type of drawdown the EA still traded it. So this EA is completely price action. It's completely price action, and we used 3 different time frames for it. So complete price action. That was what we used for this EA. Okay, I've not, but this particular EA, I've not tried 2017, I've not tried 2016, I've not tried, but I just wanted to make this post